Okay. Okay. What do we got? Okay, 3K VWAP is 35, 635 VWAP, and then okay, so why can't I zoom it out a lot? Yeah, ठीक है. And value area high at 60. And yeah, the point which that is the most volume conducted 600, and I think so that's it. I think, yeah, point of control at 625. That's a lot of jiggling. Okay, the interesting is going to be 600, which is there. Delta doesn't look strong, not at all. It's what's the time? I hate this thing. I don't know. 2 minutes left for my trading hour to begin. Okay, I made this kind of a sticky note for me to follow up. Either ways, delta looks extremely weak, and yeah, I feel like I'm gonna go for the sort, but we will see. VWAP looks interesting for the sort, and like 35, obviously being the value area high, is gonna be interesting. It will okay, sorry, VWAP, right? Only VWAP, and then yeah, previous days point of control 25. So 25 to 35 is gonna be an interesting range. Let's see. Delta is not really that prevalent. Either ways, taking it chill is the best approach. Not trying to get in a trade is the best way to trade, I think. We will see. Okay, okay, and what else is it again? Yeah, shorts look interesting. Delta, okay, that's a lot of delta. We'll see. We will see what to do and what not to do. What to do. Okay, okay. Over here, take it. This level of 70 is interesting. Yeah, we have a block over there as well. Let's see. Can take like a quick scalp off of that, I think. Let's see. Okay, that's strong, I guess. That looks pumpy. I'm not gonna take a shot over there. That's a yeah. That's too strong to take a shot. Yeah, I'm taking a shot. Got some delta stepping in, and my take profit is gonna be VWAP, I think, and my SL is gonna be this high as 61. As soon as like it taps it off, you know. And if I get a really huge delta, I might consider taking it till 24th. Let's see. Let's see. Looks interesting. That's like good delta, to be honest. I'm gonna like. It's difficult to think. Should I hold or should I exit? I will take point value area high at least, I guess. Let's see. Let's see. I will try 28.5. I think. Even 30 might be interesting. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Nice, nice. Coming in. Yeah, nice delta. I'm gonna like take point of control at least, I think. Value area high, sorry, value area high. Flip. Just flip. I'm gonna like exit. It's not doing that. Like, no delta on that one, so I am like. I think it's gonna go lower and at least test the value area high, I guess. Maybe, or it's gonna fall like it's kind of like a Victor stepping in. Yeah, it was a Victor's flick. Okay, we'll see. If I see delta, I'm gonna exit. Like, yeah, I'm gonna like. I'm gonna think if I get a delta, I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna take my 200 or 300 buck. I don't know. No delta, yaar. Yeah, okay, trying. Come on. Delta is like really strong. I want to hold it. I want to hold it. That looks amazing. Just one flip. Just flip. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Value area high being an hindrance, and I think so. Yeah, VWAP at ES being an hindrance right now. We will see. Delta is like really strong. I don't wanna. Like, that's what I kind of like, in an ideal sense, I do want such kind of a trade where like the market is like stalling out, but the delta is like having a direction. That's what divergence is. So I won't hold it like, yeah, sorry, I won't cut it so early. Yeah, I'm taking that off. Nice. Idea was कि like, अच्छा ठीक है, we are like over here, we are gonna tap this value, a lot of volume is over here, so I don't want to hold it, and like there's, yeah, there's a point of control on the day. I don't want to hold it that long. That's amazing. That's like 1062. That's really good. I like that. I can like, actually I can walk it off today, but let's see. If I really get something good, that's what I'm gonna trade, or else I'm gonna just walk off from now. What was the idea for this trade was key. uh yeah, okay, yes, like we had this low forming over here. We had this like low, which I did expect it, like we're gonna have some roll down, some sell off from there, and yeah, I guess that's what the idea was, I guess. And then we got like a weakness in delta, like we formed like an higher high on the price, but like a lower high on the delta, so not like as equal high, to be honest. And yeah, that's, and then I got this candle which showed me like a really good delta, like a decent move and like a good delta as well. And then there was like a little bit of a 660, I think. 660 was the level, I forgot. Yeah, 660 was, what was it, I can't remember. It was something 660. Yeah, 660 was the value area high from yesterday. Yeah, that's what I thought. I remembered something about 660 as well. So 660 being the value area high of yesterday, and ES like tapping that low, and then like we're getting like somewhat of a delta and divergence on delta. So that's why I stepped in. Recent 22 range. There we go. So that trade was really good, decent, I would say. Come on. Okay, what am I even trying to do? हाँ आ रहा हूँ 10 मिनट. Let me just open the stream. Wrong account. Now I'm bored actually. Let's see. It was a good one that 1000, right? That's like well over 2%. Okay, I will just like try one more trade. If it's like a small, I will try to like not risk a lot on the, because I don't want to have like a loss on the day for no reason. I will go for a trade which is like small SL and then medium take profit one, and like just call it off if I win or lose either ways. I'm not gonna like force myself. I will see. Let's see. The market is looking slow. Not that interesting right now. We'll see. So if I want to like take in, market is choppy right now. I can't really have any opinion on that. But deviation of -1 with the uh, value area low on the day could look interesting for the reversal, but delta is like really weak, so I have to be like a little cautious when if I take that trade to see if delta like supports it. If delta supports this level, this deviation of -1 and value area low with good delta stepping in, we can consider, and we can go for like a rollover to value point of control on the day, which could be an interesting one. We will see if we can get that. Killer spider, Sekaiwa. That looks interesting. That looks interesting for a short. I don't want to take another shot. Like I literally exited my shot over here. I'm gonna take an entry over here again. That's gonna like. I don't want to. Okay. Let's see what Matt is up to. Did it? Sorry, that's my stream. My bad. Oh,
But
he was.
the morning sessions have been tough because we've been trying to figure out what the chop is and where it is.
Funny, he took a trade oil the tea. Nice.
That's news in 4 minutes.
Delta looks really, really heavy, I would say. Yeah, heavy. Really like pushing down. Yet we are like staying up, which is not ideal. We'll see. What is happening on the picker time frame? We have a lot of wicks in this area. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this area could be actually, yeah, that's 1, 2, 3 wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 wicks. From 90 down 90. Okay. Below 90 is like an interesting level then. which we just barely went to. We will see. We will see. Delta is so yeah. Not a lot of delta stepping in. Still the market going up. I don't want to.
Season of the Witcher. Man, I wish. Didn't it come out last December? When is the fourth season coming out? It's 4, right?
Okay, by the way, I took the same trade as him, I guess. I don't think so. I think he took after me, I think. I don't know. I want to see actually. Let's see. Was his trade and my trade quite similar, right? And yeah, actually I took trade right here and he still wasn't in a trade, so he copied me in a way. I want to hear the reasoning behind this trade. Why his
We got
trade.
that wick test at 28. I just want to make sure that I'm not like buying the top of a potential range here. Little view up bounce at 34. Yes, with the wick test as well. 65. Value high. I'm gonna,
Okay, he
I'm gonna
went
take a
long.
little stab long here.
Ah, funny.
I like the value area high bounce with the wick test bounce. Right at VWAP, looking for a little bit of push to the upside into this close. We'll
Fuck,
see
he
if that
took the
actually plays
opposite
out or
trade
not,
as me.
obviously.
Funny, so
Nah,
funny.
that's There's VWAP on the ES. At 200 block at 61. This next back inside it, testing volume.
I took the little opposite trade to
Look at
him.
that.
Wow.
Look at the ES books. 70 block at, or 100 block at 70.
Oh, I forgot. It was so dumb. I literally forgot to open this thing and check.
What's happening?
Okay, yeah, we
Was there
have
news?
news, yeah. Boom Beach.
The Nas just
Boom
pinned
Beach.
at VWAP still. Come on, man. This is a bad sign. Okay, a little move here into the 70s. That's bottom of the range. That's
I literally forgot to do the one to check the news.
snapped right out of the bottom of the range. So
We
far.
had the news, like high news. Michigan consumer sentiments. I
wicks.
don't know what that is, but yeah.
Almost perfectly lined up. Oh man, and the book's already back to normal pretty much.
I'm gonna give the market 1 or 2 minutes to like actually let it have the effect of the news done, and then I'm gonna think about trading again. Couple of minutes of relaxation, stretching and stuff. Okay, setup. Good delta. I like delta. I like the delta, and I like अच्छा ठीक है, there's 64. Okay, that's done. Ah, nice. Why it's moving again so much, I don't know. Only one news, right? Yeah. Yeah, we're done. That's it. Yeah, the delta is like really dumb. I don't even understand. It just went down, went up, went down. Like, what's happening? I don't understand anything. That's why we don't trade news. We don't trade news. Hmm. If we roll to VWAP again and with no delta stepping in, that's actually kind of. Okay, delta is coming in. Ah, okay. Sort. Stick sort. If we like pump and go about 37 kind of, I'm gonna be out. And I want to roll to value area low of the day. We'll see. Uh, yeah, I'm out. Okay, that was like, yeah, too quick for me to even exit properly. Fine, fine, fine. I lost like 700. ठीक है. Okay, that was a bit too hyperactive. I still think I have like no opinion now. Like let just the market move on itself, and we'll see. We have a lot of blocks on the upside. 75 block. Okay. That's too high up to be honest. 70 block and 75 block. 70 block. Okay, we barely touched it, and not a lot of delta again. We'll see. 84 looks interesting for sorts. Look at that delta, come on. Look at that delta. I can't. I was thinking about let it be. No delta coming in. Mm, I'm taking the risk of 30. I have like a really tight SL of 45. Okay, yeah, that's like moving already. Then nice. I like that. Okay, so if it pops this high, I'm gonna be out. And if it 30, I have like this as my take profit 6. Well, okay, we are. I think so. We barely broke it. I guess I didn't even saw that. Fuck you. We were like just barely. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. I'm gonna be out. Fucking hell. I don't like that. Like we have such a good pump and then like nothing. Yeah, fuck. It's so annoying. I'm gonna say it, but it did. It's still going up, but still, it's annoying. Let me just say. Okay, we lost 300. I'm like net break even on the day now. I think that was, I don't know, that was a good trade according to me. I don't think that was a bad one. The one previous to that was a really bad one, I think, because I don't know. Didn't felt like a good one. 70 70 block, not touching it. We are seeing like a delta divergence forming, but I still want the block to be touched. I don't know, I want the block to be touched, then I'm gonna think about taking a short again. Yeah, I've been like trying to do that like fucking so many times. Either ways, I know it's gonna like it's a weird, really weird. Blocks and neutralizing, which is okay. Mm, I don't know. That looks. Let me just be a little honest. Like the delta is amazing. Gonna this kit. Okay, if it like even rolls a little bit, I'm gonna be out because the blocks are changing. Yeah, blocks are changing quite a lot, and yeah, we got like so good of a delta and like no move at all. How could I like say no to that? This is the last trade of the day. We will see. Hmm. Take profit in mind is, I think, the point of control on the day. Ah, rolling. Nice, I like that. Point of control. Yeah, most of the way through. 611 we stopped at 1 6. Okay, we are about to touch it. About to touch it. Totally rolled over. 5 off. This is take profit in mind, I guess. Yeah. No delta. Not a lot of delta. ZDK is gonna like kind of test that, I think. Let's see. That's too aggressive, I guess. I don't know. We don't. 30k. We again. I've got like a 70 block. Fuck you. And 61.75. Weird. Not gonna lie. That's not ideal. We will see. Delta stepping in again, but not a lot. Not a lot. Okay, the market's moving. That's good, I guess. That was a VWAP test, I think. Yeah. I don't like it anymore. But the delta is not. That's like so irritating. Yeah. Delta is too strong for me to hold the trade. Pretty small loss, 250 bucks. Okay, that was okay. Let me just see my history. Yeah, I think I should call the day off, I guess now. I want one more. I don't know why. I want one more. I hate it so much that it like why it just did not fall down in the first place. Why it's fucking around with me so much. I guess that's Fridays, I guess. Sometimes I just go monk mode, I guess. I'm looking out for. Mhm. What cancer is this? It just doesn't moves, yeah. What kind of piece of set is it? So basically, we are stuck in value area high till value point of control in the day. We have like a block at 70 still, I think. Yeah, I don't like the delta now. Mm, that's just stereotypical of a delta, I guess. Now, just doing random set. I can't understand anything while I see Navi. What about that? I don't know. I'm at 75. I don't know. Weave up, weave up, weave up, weave up. Okay, that's not weave. Okay, now we are at weave up. Weave up, weave up. Boring. Weave up. Mm, that's like annoying. Yeah, I don't like delta. Exit. I don't like the delta. I'm gonna hold it, not gonna hold it. Total loss on a day, 500 bucks. More than 500 bucks for sure. Look at that delta going. अच्छा ठीक है, I messed that up. 65 block. I have no clue what the fuck just happened, but yeah, it just does not make any sense. But to be honest, I think I should have just called the day off when I had like the first more than 2% profit on the day. That's fine. This was not an ideal trade, let me just tell you. Even though I made so much off of that, like I should not have taken that trade. This trade was actually what tracking over the year, I guess. Yeah, yeah, maybe like here, kind of. This was the ideal place to take this trade. Putting up this as an SL or this as an SL, but not here where I took it. Okay, or like reanalyze the trade when I'm redoing it. Okay, so that's it. I'm calling it off. I'm gonna have to do a lot of work later on. So the day wasn't that good. I would say I messed up a lot. I will like recheck